Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. Today I have a fun and easy DIY. I'll be making a lantern using skewers. The hardest part of this DIY was getting the skewers to bend. What I had to do is put them in hot water on the stove. I left the top part of the skewer out of the water and then placed a pickle jar full of water on the skewers where I wanted them to bend. I left them in the hot water for about an hour, and I think I had turned the eye to like medium. I then took them out and placed them in my son's bathroom sink. Since he's not home, he doesn't use that bathroom. I also placed the pickle jar still sitting on the top of the skewers until the next morning. And believe it or not, it actually worked. It bent them just like you're seeing them. I used a square block. I think it originally had some kind of picture on it. It was already painted a very light gray color, so I just drilled 4 small holes in the corners that were just a little bit larger than the skewers. I filled each hole with hot glue and placed the skewer into the hole, making sure it was pointed towards the center. I did this with all 4 skewers. I placed 18 16mm natural wood beads on the skewers. The beads I use I get from Amazon, so I'll leave a link in the description if you want to take a look at them. I found this little topper in my stash. I'm not really sure what to call it. I think I got it from wish.com a while back. I ordered several things from there to see how they would work as craft supplies. The items I've used so far have been great. If you don't mind waiting up to 6 weeks, you should check wish.com out for some of your supplies. I wouldn't recommend ordering clothes, shoes, or jewelry, but I will vouch for the craft supplies that I've used, and they've worked out great. And the absolutely best part is they were extremely cheap. I filled the hole in the topper up with hot glue and placed all 4 of the skewer ends in it. I turned it upside down to let the hot glue dry because I didn't want it running down the skewers and onto my beads and making a big mess. The next thing I did was add 4 20mm beads to the bottom for feet. I left all the beads and the topper the natural color, but you can paint it to any color that will match your decor. I may actually paint it white and do a little distressing. I just haven't decided yet. I added a white pillar candle to the lantern and decided it needed a little something else. I found this wreath material in my stash. I placed it around the candle and then used green floral wire to hold everything together. I just still wasn't happy with the look, so I used some Dollar Tree reindeer moss. I applied Mod Podge to the entire round piece and added the reindeer moss on top of it. I left it sitting on a piece of white paper to dry. I kept messing with it while it was drying until I was happy with the way it looked. I think this beaded lantern turned out amazing, and I can't wait to put it on my new shelf in my living room. That is, if my husband ever gets the shelf put up. I've made the shelf, I've stained the shelf, I've bought the brackets, but he wants to make sure they're on studs, and he's the stud finder, not me. But once he gets that shelf up, this is definitely going to be sitting on it. And guys, I wanted to let you know that I will be participating in the Red, White, and Blue Challenge hosted by Teresa B. DIY and Unicorn Dust Designs in May. All proceeds made in May will be donated to the Fisher House. Fisher Houses are a home away from home offered at no cost to military and veteran families, allowing them to be together with their loved ones receiving specialized care at military and VA medical centers around the world and ensure they can be a part of the healing process. Be sure to subscribe and check out the other participants in this challenge. Currently, my channel is not monetized, so if you could check out the link in the description and make a small donation, I would really appreciate it. Another way you can show your support is to watch the ads on the other participants' pages. By watching the ads and not skipping them, the ads' revenue will go up, which means the amount they will donate for this challenge will increase. I'll let you know more details about this challenge in the upcoming videos.